Hi guys, welcome to the Smiler Dan Golf channel. Today we're looking at Airdrop Golf. You may have seen them online. I saw it on Facebook last, probably October I'd say. Ordered one up. They come with 4 styles. I got the traditional one. I'm wearing what I got in it, the clobber. Got my Under Armour trousers, walrus top, island green t-shirt. Lovely stuff. So I got onto Wayne at Airdrop Golf and I basically said to him, what's in the other styles? And putting it simply, he wouldn't tell me, so I had to buy all 4 to find out. So now I've got all 4. I'm going to share them with you in case you're interested what's in them, and let's see what we got. So starting with my traditionals. Put them there for a minute. I'm going to go here. A towel by the looks of it. Sub 70. Very nice. Put that in. We've got, this is what I'm talking about. Ping hat. I can go straight up my bonds. Cover this mop up. How's that? Yeah. What else we got? Set of Airdrop Golf tees. And finally, this is what we've got. Warwick Golf signature shirt. Very good. Nice birds down the back of it. Is that a bird? Don't know. Nice. Stick that over there. And we've got a nice putt. The 8 ball. Nice little marker. Right. Thankfully, Wayne's actually marked these to tell me what's what, so thank you, Wayne. Otherwise I'll be guessing right now. Yeah, this one. What we got here, sorry. This is the mixed. So we've got mixed coming up. Straight up. So, what have we got? Another sub 70 towel. Obviously, you can't really mix styles when it comes to towels or tees and stuff, so some of them are repeated. Just these one side. There we go. Another ping hat. Look at that, that's a nice one. Yeah, we're going to swap them over. So we've got traditional, mixed. Obviously, it's a bit more colourful. More tees. So, and got another puck, another 8 ball. Get the markers together. We got here Duffer Golf, and certainly very vibrant. I know a few people that have bought some nice colours from this. How do we do? That's definitely bright. They're not going to miss you on the course wearing that one. paint back to it. D on there, plain that's D for Dan. Lovely stuff. Okay, what have we got next? Athletic. Have a guess, what's it going to be? Shirt and a hat and a towel. Right, we've got the towel. It's actually a different colour, this one. Black and white. Not short on towels now. Oh, we're loving the ping hats today, aren't we? We go swap him over. It's green and yellows. It's a bit Norwich colours, isn't it? How's that one? There we go. More teas. Keep me going for a while. One. Get up there. Another 8 ball. Short markers either. I'm getting the hang of opening this. It's dated. Got another Duffer golf shirt. They're nice and lightweight, these. They'll be good for summer. Another D for Dan, I'm claiming that. Lovely stuff. Now it'll be interesting to actually know what the prices are on this, because on the last one I did check it up, and I'd say looking at Amazon, the value of the box was between about 75 and 80 quid, depending on where you were shopping, and obviously the pack itself cost 50 quid, so as long as you get everything you want, it's lovely. Got a few too many towels now, but right, don't forget we got another ping hat. Same as the one I'm wearing. So sorry, this was Loud and Proud. Loud and Proud. Chuck it on. Okay, this looks loud. We got a nice pink towel as well, that's nice and loud. Turn up about Proud. Turn them there, teas. You know the score. What have we got? It's pink. Oh, I've dropped my thingy. It's another 8 ball. No, I'm not lying. 8 ball. Get off. Get off. I'm dangerous to that thing. Loud and Proud. I can see me wearing this. It's got little T's on the collar, on the sleeves. They're definitely not going to miss you on the course wearing that. No balls on the head, that's what we like. Super. So, that's it for January's edition of the Airdrop Box Golf. Super. Give me some more clobber to wear. Right, on to the prizes. All you have to do is click subscribe, give us a like, and write your name in the comments. And I'll be picking one lucky winner who will be getting February's box sent to them. Also, if you want to order your own box, you can get 10% off by putting in Smiler10, say Smiler10, on the voucher form on airdropgolf.com, and you can get yourself some clobber, 10% off. Brilliant. See you in the next video. See you next month, the next unboxing. Love you guys. Stay safe.